Ever wondered how nature's golden nectar transforms into a pure, organic treasure available in bulk for the world to enjoy? Step inside the world of American honey factories, where the art of turning buzzing beehives into large-scale honey supplies is a mesmerizing blend of tradition, innovation, and strict organic integrity. In just moments, you'll discover the fascinating journey from bee to bottle, a process so efficient and intricate that each drop tells a story of nature's magic and human ingenuity working in harmony. Harvesting honey from beehives. The process begins at the source, beehives filled with golden organic honey. Beekeepers collect honeycombs from hives that meet organic criteria, no synthetic pesticides or antibiotics used in the vicinity. The hives are inspected, and the harvested frames are carefully removed to ensure sustainability of the bee colony. Beekeepers use smoke to calm the bees and safely extract the frames, keeping contamination minimal and adhering to organic practices. Transportation to the factory. Once the honeycombs are collected, they are transported in temperature-controlled containers to the American factory. This step is crucial to preserve the honey's natural enzymes and prevent fermentation. Factories often have direct relationships with local organic apiaries, allowing for seamless transportation that maintains the organic certification of the raw product. Initial inspection and sorting. Upon arrival at the factory, the honeycombs undergo a thorough inspection. Technicians check for debris, wax quality, and any foreign materials to ensure that only the highest quality honey continues in the production line. Sorting is essential to separate fully filled honeycombs from those that need further processing. This step sets the stage for an efficient extraction process, aligning with organic and quality assurance standards. Extraction using centrifugation. The primary method of extracting honey in modern American factories is centrifugation. Once the honeycombs are removed, they are placed in an extractor, a device that spins the frames at high speeds. Centrifugation causes the honey to leave the comb and collect at the bottom of the extractor. This method is efficient, quick, and preserves the integrity of the honey, ensuring that its organic properties remain intact. The extraction process is designed to maximize yield while minimizing stress on the honey itself. Draining and settling. After centrifugation, the extracted honey is drained from the extractor into large stainless steel tanks. Gravity helps in settling out any remaining wax particles, beeswax, or other debris. Settling tanks allow impurities to rise to the top or sink to the bottom, where they can be removed manually or with automated skimming devices. The honey that remains at the bottom is then ready for the next stage, offering clarity and purity as required by organic standards. Filtration and purification. Filtering is a critical step in organic honey production. The honey passes through a series of filters, starting with coarse screens to remove larger particles, followed by finer filters that eliminate small impurities like pollen and wax fragments. Some factories employ ultrafiltration techniques which ensure that the honey remains free of contaminants while preserving its natural enzymes, flavor, and beneficial compounds. This step is meticulous to maintain organic quality without adding any foreign substances. Pasteurization or raw honey considerations. Depending on the organic certification and customer requirements, the honey may or may not undergo pasteurization. Raw organic honey is often preferred as it retains more of its natural properties, enzymes, and nutrients. If pasteurization is needed to eliminate yeast and prevent fermentation during storage, factories use low-temperature techniques to preserve the honey's beneficial qualities. These procedures are carefully managed to align with organic guidelines, ensuring no chemical additives are introduced. Quality assurance and testing. Before packaging, bulk organic honey is subjected to rigorous quality assurance tests. Samples from each batch are sent to laboratories where they are checked for moisture content, purity, and compliance with organic standards. Testing for contaminants such as pesticides, antibiotics, or adulterants is vital. Additionally, sensory analysis may be conducted to ensure flavor consistency. The data from these tests help assure customers of the quality and authenticity of the organic honey. Storage in controlled conditions. Quality-approved honey is then stored in large, food-grade stainless steel tanks within controlled environments. Temperature and humidity are monitored to prevent crystallization or spoilage. The storage tanks are sealed to maintain the honey's organic integrity by avoiding contamination from external elements. Packaging for bulk distribution. Once the honey meets all quality benchmarks, it's time for packaging. Bulk organic honey is typically packaged in large containers such as drums, totes, or even large-scale barrels. Some factories also offer palletized bags or factory-grade bottles for smaller bulk orders. The packaging lines are automated to handle large volumes efficiently while preserving the honey's purity. These facilities ensure that containers are sealed properly to prevent contamination during storage and transportation. Labeling and documentation. Each container of bulk organic honey is labeled with pertinent information, including batch numbers, organic certification details, production date, and any testing results. Documentation accompanies the shipment, outlining compliance with USDA organic standards and providing traceability data. This transparency builds trust among buyers, supermarkets, and wholesale distributors that the honey they are purchasing meets stringent organic guidelines. Compliance with organic standards. Throughout every step, American factories ensure compliance with organic standards. This includes the absence of synthetic chemicals in the entire production cycle, from the bee's environment to the cleaning agents used in the factory. Regular audits by certification bodies verify that every process adheres to the rules. Compliance not only assures consumers of the product's organic nature, but also reinforces the manufacturer's reputation in a competitive market. Use of advanced technology. Modern American honey factories employ advanced technology to streamline production. Automation in extraction, filtering, and packaging reduces the risk of human error and contamination. Sensors and IoT devices monitor key production parameters in real time, such as temperature, moisture levels, and filtration quality. This high-tech approach ensures consistent quality, optimal efficiency, and the ability to scale up production while maintaining organic purity. Sustainability practices in production. Sustainability is a key aspect of organic honey production. Factories adopt energy-efficient equipment and sustainable packaging materials to minimize their environmental footprint. Waste from honeycomb processing, such as beeswax, is often repurposed for other products like candles, cosmetics, or organic additives. By integrating sustainability into their operations, manufacturers not only follow organic principles but also contribute to environmental conservation. Health and safety protocols. Worker safety and hygiene are paramount in honey production facilities. Employees wear protective clothing, gloves, and hairnets to prevent contamination of the product. Facilities follow strict sanitation schedules, and equipment is routinely cleaned and sterilized using food-safe methods. These protocols ensure that the honey remains free from pathogens and that the workforce maintains high safety standards, further supporting the organic nature of the product. Handling seasonal variations. Honey production is influenced by seasonal variations in nectar flow and bee activity. Factories plan their operations around peak harvest times to maximize efficiency. Advanced forecasting models predict honey yield based on weather patterns and floral sources. During surplus production, extra storage capacity and streamlined processing lines help manage increased volumes. Efficient handling of seasonal variations ensures consistent supply of bulk organic honey to meet market demand. The role of organic certification. Organic certification bodies play an integral role in overseeing the production process. Regular inspections and audits confirm that every aspect, from beekeeping practices to factory operations, aligns with organic standards. Certification provides an extra layer of credibility and reassures customers that the honey they receive is genuinely organic, with no synthetic additives or genetically modified inputs. Transporting bulk organic honey to market. Once packaged and labeled, the bulk organic honey is transported to distributors, retailers, or directly to bulk buyers. Transportation vehicles are cleaned and designated exclusively for organic products to prevent cross-contamination. Temperature-controlled shipping ensures that the honey remains in optimal condition during transit. Reliable logistics and careful handling help maintain the integrity of the product from the factory to its final destination. Meeting consumer demand, large-scale production of organic honey is driven by consumer demand for pure, natural sweeteners. American factories are equipped to handle vast quantities while preserving the artisanal quality that consumers value. Bulk organic honey is used not only by food manufacturers and retailers, but also for export around the world. By maintaining high production standards, these factories meet both quality expectations and supply chain requirements. Innovation in honey processing techniques. The industry continually seeks innovation to improve honey processing techniques. Research into new filtration methods, energy-efficient centrifugation, and sustainable packaging are ongoing. Factories adopt these innovations to reduce costs, increase yield, and enhance product quality. The integration of new technologies and innovative practices ensures that bulk organic honey remains a high-demand premium product on the global market. Traceability and blockchain integration. Some American factories are now integrating blockchain technology to enhance traceability in the supply chain. Each batch of bulk organic honey is assigned a unique identifier that can be tracked from the hive to the final packaged product. This transparency allows consumers and partners to verify the authenticity of the honey and its organic credentials at every step. Blockchain integration has become a powerful tool for building trust and transparency in the production process. Environmental impact reduction. American honey factories strive to reduce their environmental impact by implementing eco-friendly practices. Water recycling systems clean honey without wasting precious resources, and renewable energy sources power many of the factory operations. Waste products like empty honeycombs and wax residues are processed and repurposed. These measures ensure that bulk organic honey production supports sustainability and reduces the footprint on the environment. Continuous improvement and staff training. A skilled workforce is essential for maintaining high standards in organic honey production. Factories invest in continuous training programs for their staff, covering best practices in safety, quality assurance, and new technology usage. Regular workshops and certifications ensure employees are up to date on the latest industry standards and organic protocols. This focus on education translates into improved processes, higher quality products, and efficient operations. Customer feedback and market adaptation. Feedback from bulk buyers and end consumers drives improvements in production. Factories monitor customer reviews, conduct surveys, and engage in direct communication with partners to understand expectations and preferences. This feedback loop allows manufacturers to tweak processes, enhance product consistency, and introduce new packaging solutions. Adaptation to market demands without compromising organic standards is a key strength of American bulk honey factories. Conclusion: bulk organic honey production in American factories is a sophisticated blend of traditional beekeeping knowledge and cutting-edge industrial processes. Each step, from harvesting and extraction to packaging and distribution, is optimized for efficiency, quality, and adherence to strict organic standards. By focusing on sustainability, technological innovation, and continuous improvement, these factories ensure that consumers receive pure, high-quality organic honey in large quantities. This voiceover narration has walked you through the efficient, modern process of bulk organic honey production, providing a clear understanding of how this precious natural product reaches your table while maintaining its organic purity and quality.